Hey guys, in this lecture I will give you the shortest derivation of equation of ellipse in coordinate geometry. The traditional books we read gave the derivation of equation of ellipse in 2 or 3 pages and in alternative methods at least half a page, but my derivation will be in just 2 lines, and in addition I will explain a meaning of the eccentricity E. Now look at this figure. Look at this big circle PMN. Its equation is capital X square plus capital Y square is equal to small a square. Small a is the radius of the circle, or divide by a square, that is capital X square by a square plus capital Y square by a square is equal to 1. Call this equation 1. Now change the coordinate axis to small x is capital X and small y is capital Y by B by A, where B is less than A, and the equation becomes s square by a square plus y square by a square into b square minus a square is equal to 1, or in other words s square by a square plus y square by b square small x and small y is equal to 1. Call this equation 2. I will call this equation of the ellipse, not a word more and not a word less. Of course, I will explain how this is the equation of ellipse and what is the meaning of eccentricity. Please transform the equation to this form: y is equal to plus minus b bracket root over 1 minus s square by a square. Now this s square by a square must be less than 1. Our maximum s square by a square must be equal to 1. So, the maximum value of x is a. Otherwise, we will encounter imaginary quantities and cannot be pictured in real axis without an imaginary axis. So, the maximum value of a is maximum value of x is a. Similarly, this x by a will be minimum 0, where y is equal to b or plus minus b. So maximum value of y is b and minimum value of y is minus b. So the difference between the maximum value of a and minimum value of a is a minus minus a is equal to 2a. We call this major axis, and minimum value of y, sorry, the difference between the maximum value of y and minimum value of y, that is b minus minus b is equal to 2b. We call it minor axis. And one thing you note, if you replace x by minus x throughout the equation, then the equation remains same. That means it is symmetrical about y-axis. Similarly, if you replace y by minus y, the equation remains same, so that it is symmetrical about x-axis. Is equation of ellipse. We call this Apollonius of Perga, or Archimedes, or Pappus of Alexandria. There is a focus directrix definition of ellipse, and I will show you that this also conforms to that focus directrix definition. Let us put B is equal to FA, or B by A is equal to F, so that this s square by a square and y square by b square is equal to 1 becomes this: s square f square plus y square is a square f square. F is b by a, and let f is less than 1 or b is less than a. Otherwise, there will be different treatment. Now, you simplify this. S square is plus f square plus y square is equal to a square f square. Call this equation A, and put f square is 1 minus e square. F square is equal to 1 minus e square. E another something. So, in place of f you write s square 1 minus e square plus y square, and in place of f you write again this 1 minus e square, and you simplify this. This comes s square plus a square e square plus y square is equal to s square plus e square s square. Now add minus 2aex to both sides. So s square minus 2aex plus a square s square becomes x minus ae whole square plus e square, sorry, plus y square you write it as y minus 0 whole square, and um, you take e square common. So here it is. No, first add 2aex minus 2aex to this and take e square common. After a bit simplification, you will get this. Now it becomes x minus ae whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is e square times x minus ae whole square. So what is this x minus ae whole square plus y minus 0 whole square? It is the distance of the point xy from the point AE0. Is that right? That is according to this distance formula. And what is this x minus AE whole square? This is the distance of the point xy from the straight line x is equal to AE. This is the distance x minus AE, the square of distance from the point xy to the straight line, that means perpendicular distance to the straight line x is equal to AE. So this equation B shows that the distance from xy from the point AE0 is E times the distance, perpendicular distance from xy from the straight line x is equal to AE. So this AE0 is called the focus. AE0 point called the focus, and this straight line x is equal to AE is called the directrix. So you now get the distance from the equation B. The distance from focus is E times the distance from the directrix when B is less than A. If B is greater than A, you just take instead of B by AF, you take A by BF, and the same thing will repeat. Next, minus 2ax to both sides in equation B, if we add just 2ax to both sides, then we get this equation x plus a square plus x plus a whole square plus y plus 0 whole square is equal to e square x plus ae whole square. Instead of minus ae, we get ae. So there is a second focus at the point minus ae0, and the second directrix, which is the straight line x is equal to minus ae. We showed that the ellipse has a focus at the point F, and F is ae0, the coordinates are ae0, and directrix m dash n dash corresponds to this focus F, and the second focus F dash, whose coordinates are minus a0, and second directrix mn, this one is Mn, and let us call Fp is R1, that is focal radius 1, distance of any point P from the focus 1, and R2 is F dash P, or distance of the point P from the second focus. Now we have established that Fp by Pm dash is equal to E, so that Fp is equal to E Pm dash. As, as F dash P by Pm dash is equal to E, we have F dash P is equal to E Pm. So adding these two, Fp plus F dash P, the sum of the focal radii is E times Pm dash plus Pm. But what is Pm dash plus Pm? Pm dash plus Pm is same as mm dash, and mm dash is same as nn dash, and what is nn dash is 2on or 2on dash, that is and on is equal to a by e. So after a just a bit of simplification, we get Fp plus F dash P is equal to 2a. That you can do whatever is written from here, you can just simplify. What does this say? That the focal distances of any point P, that means the distance r1 plus r2 is 2a, whereas in case of circle we would have got r1 is equal to r2 is equal to a. So half of the major axis is the radius of the circle, whereas the radial distances or the focal distances of any point, sum of the focal distances is 2a diameter. Uh, so this is the meaning of eccentricity. That means this center O is split into two and uh, driven apart by these two lines, directrices, so that the two foci, they move from the focus, move from the center to focus F and focus F dash, and but their sum still remains 2a, or diameter of the circle, which is the major axis. So this is the meaning of uh, eccentricity.